We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass, and I'm working with the Brother MFC 7460DN. So you'll just open your top hatch here. You want to get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. And you want to put your glass cleaner directly on the cloth. You don't want to put it on the glass. If you do, it could get underneath the glass and you'd have to replace it. So that's not something we want. So go ahead and put it on your cloth instead. And then just clean it nice and gently. Now sometimes you might see some pen marks or even whiteout stuck to the glass, so it might need to be cleaned more than once. If you are seeing the defects when you're using the feeder part right here, then you're going to want to focus more on this little strip of glass. If you are placing your paper on the flatbed and you're seeing defects there, focus more on the bigger glass. If you clean it and you're still seeing lots of defects, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.